Hey, what up guys, it is your brother BeDistinct. Welcome back to another video. Happy New Year's to everyone out there. I'm not even gonna lie, right now is January, January 3rd. And if you guys know, yesterday we probably received one of the worst news ever. Our brother, legend Ken Block, unfortunately passed away in a snowmobile accident. Super heartbreaking. I mean, this guy was an absolute legend. I think we all knew him for his insane Gymkhana videos, like where he's drifting, closes down cities and just drifts. I mean, I knew him when he did the San Francisco one. Absolutely insane. So my deep condolences to his family, and man, dude, what a tough time. I can't even imagine what they're going through. I mean, with that being said though, in today's video we will be installing the wheels on the Nissan Z, and we're also going to be trying to shoot the review for the wraps for the Nissan Z, because you guys don't know, there's a huge storm here in the US.
This is the live updating satellite imagery right now out in the Pacific. That is a picture you would see in a textbook, or as a framed work of art. That storm is incredibly well put together.
But here in the West Coast, it's super rainy. So right now it's Tuesday. And it's gonna be raining Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I mean, we have 10 to 11 consecutive days of rain, and that's just probably not the best weather to film a reveal. Today is probably the only day it's not raining. It is cloudy, but it's not raining, so we're trying our best to fit everything on that timeline. It is currently 12 p.m. We still haven't picked up the car. We still haven't received it. The car is gonna be ready at 4:30 p.m. So we're gonna go pick it up, and we have like a 1 hour and 30-minute window to find a shop to install our wheels on our Z, and then we will most likely shoot a night video of the reveal, because the sun will no longer be up. So crunchy timeline. Let's make it happen. Let's begin this video. All right guys, a couple hours later, we are here back at my shop's my friend's shop, Royal Detail. This is where we were a couple days ago. It's now the weekend. We're gonna see the Z for the first time, ceramic coated, picking up the wheels, going to go ahead and install the wheels, and this should be ready for the freaking reveal shoot. Let's do a little knock. Alright guys, sorry it's still in black and white. The next video will be the reveal, I promise. Yeah, I'm serious. This is the right here. Oh, this is the last video where we're just installing the wheels right now, and then we'll show you the reveal. I'm sorry, this is the only day that it's not raining. It's gonna rain here in Sacramento for the next 10 days. I'm honestly think this Sacramento is gonna flood, like seriously, no joke. So today's literally, after this we're installing the wheels immediately, and then we're cutting the video, and then we're resuming tonight to film the reveal for the car, because we need to take advantage of today.
You told me to open my trunk, but you put it in the back of my car?
This is a fatter wheel, that's why.
Oh.
Man, the car looks so good, man, and with these white wheels, woo, it's gonna look crazy. So we have to do a couple things, because you know, my Z right now, I put some spacers right on the OEM wheels because they were tucking in, so I wanted to put them out. So they're tucking, so right now I have a 1-inch spacer in the front and a 1.25-inch spacer in the back. These wheels are a little bit more aggressive setup, but they're still not to the specs of the Z. So the front ones, we have to remove the entire spacer. The front ones are perfect fit. The back ones, we still need a smaller spacer, which I have at home. So we need to install, remove the spacers on the Z, and install some new spacers. You cold? You shaking?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Okay. All right guys, cold start on the Z for the first time. We're about to launch off right here. All right guys, we're now heading to the tire shop right now so we can install the tires. All right guys, so the car's looking really good right now. Super shiny, glossy. If you guys know, it's ceramic coated, so it adds a little bit of extra gloss to it. But huge shout out to Royal Detail, my brother. He took me in charge of ceramic coating the entire car, even the windows and the wheels, yo. So everything ceramic coated, the wheels, the car, the windows. This thing's gonna be such a breeze to freaking clean. So ceramic coating, not only does it make it easier to clean, I mean, saves you a lot of minutes, the water just glides off, plus it adds UV protection, protects your paint. I have a lot of people asking me, why does your midnight purple wrap on your G35 still look shiny after 2 years? It's not because it's a Nositech midnight purple, it's because I ceramic coated it with Royal Detail, and their ceramic coating is A1, top one. I mean, that thing's been coated for 2 years now and abused, and that thing is still coated. So huge shout out to my brother Gabriel over at Royal Detail for taking care of me and taking care of us. And then not only do I want to give a shout out to Royal Detail, but I want to give a shout out to Rain Systems, man. They're the ones I've been using their sprays now. This is the best thing you can get, okay? Not only does this clean your car, like wipe off the dust and everything, it also adds ceramic coating protection after it cleans it, which is super nice because after you use it, your car is super smooth. I mean, it's pretty much like it's ceramic coated. So it's really, really nice. I've been using it now for quite a minute, and I can back this up 100% that it is 100% worth it. And now we have been taken care of with 2 more bottles. Grab yourself a bottle and then let me know, was it worth it or not? Because I'm curious, like, you guys try it for yourselves, but I'll tell you right now from my experience that this bottle definitely helps. All right guys, we're at the tire shop right now. It's still late. I mean, we're trying to plug this. Like I said, we're here with Subzilla. We're ready to film this freaking reveal. This is the last day we get with no rain. The next 10 days are all rainy. So we literally they were already closed. I literally pulled up. I was like, you better open this motherfucker up. I opened the gate myself and I pulled my car in, like, we need to get this installed. So huge shout out to them, by the way, for letting me in. Last minute job. But let's see the wheels before we put them in the car. Again, shout out to Rex Racing Wheels for sending us these wheels. Shine some lights.
I got you, bro.
Thank you. Check it out, man. You guys can see this in full color. I mean, I've shown this off before. It's a white wheel with gold pearl, as you can see. Pretty nice. And these are all fully ceramic coated already. All right guys, we finally got the wheels taken off the car and we're mounting them right now. Front 2, then we're gonna do the back 2, but we just started. After this, after we're done, we're gonna go shoot the reveal for the whole wrap and everything. We still gotta go home though because these have spacers. We need to install some spacers in the back still. And thank you.
Chick-fil-A. We gotta get some Chick-fil-A.
Oh yeah, we're still eating. We still gotta eat. All right guys, we're doing a small Chick-fil-A lunch break. Got the chicken sandwich, OG, with barbecue sauce. Make these wheels official by putting the freaking wheel cap-ons. Can you see the pearl? And something that was even nicer that we just figured out is that these wheels are actually hub-centric to my car. They made them specifically for the Z specs. I don't have to buy hub-centric rings. For those of you guys who don't know what I'm talking about, when you get new wheels, they usually make them universally big so they can fit any car. You would have to go out and buy these hub-centric rings so the wheel can fit like tug. What do you say? How do you say it? So they can fit
Like
snug. They can fit snug to your car and there's no vibrations, right? So you need to buy these. But these, we didn't have to use them because they didn't fit and they fit exactly to the car. So it's really nice of Rex Racing Wheels. Pretty sweet. Alright guys, we just installed the wheels. They're a little bit dirty from all the installation. So we're gonna use Rain System to wash this thing off. It's got some little rubber marks right here on the side. This thing's all gonna come away. And this was definitely mandatory because these are white wheels. If you didn't ceramic coat your white wheels, bro, that's why people don't like white wheels, because they're such a bitch to clean. But if you have ceramic coated wheels and your ceramic coated detail spray and cleaning spray, bro, having white wheels is pretty fun. Why was I so close? So our 4-stars were 58 in the rear. Our Anovia wheels, the chrome wheels on the G, were 50. I'll put a little clip right here. Those are 18-inch, 4-stars are 19-inch, and they're wider. So 4-stars makes sense, it's heavier. This one's 10.5, same width as those, just that these are 19s, those are 18. So this should be slightly heavier than 50 pounds. So hands off the wheel. 57.8. Okay, so 57.8, like less than a pound lighter than 4-stars. 4-stars are 11 inches wide though. This one's 10.5. So Alright guys, we're recording the reveal for the cars. By the way, if the audio sounds kind of shitty, it's because I don't have a mic. He's using it temporarily for the movie. Psycho. The first ever time I have white wheels. I've never had white wheels. Oh, there you go, perfect time. Rain, cop yourself some rain.
It just rained on you, bro.
It just rained on me. Oh, that was $1 million quote right there. It just rained on me. Cop yourself some rain, guys. This is some detail spray that adds ceramic on top of your car, maintains your car beautiful, bro. Like, this is my other bottle I had. It's almost empty. I've been using this shit. It works. All right, guys, we're pretty much finalizing. You guys can see we're finalizing the video for the reveal. You can see it right here, but it's in black and white. So we're gonna give you guys a full reveal. We're gonna go home and edit it, and hopefully in 2 days, so by Thursday, we'll have it up on the channel for reveal. Not only my Z, but we'll have the brother Subzilla with his new reveal, new wrap color and add-on. So it's gonna be freaking sick. Thank you guys for all the support. We were able to install the wheels on the Z. It's looking good right now. You guys can see the wheels were white. I already showed you guys the wheels. If you haven't checked that video out, click on the eye somewhere here above, check it out. But we're done. So we're just gonna edit the reveal. Have that by you guys in 2 days. And that's it, brothers. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video. And once again, rest in peace, Ken Block. Peace.